guys, it's Carolyn with Crafting with Wine, and I'm coming back on to do another organizational tool of my tool shop organization. And what this is that you're looking at right here is this great big thing that my husband bought me for my birthday this past year, and I'm just now showing it or even talking about it. My birthday's in March, so he bought it for me this past March for my birthday because I had asked for something like this, and I didn't even know they made things like this, so I was super excited when I got it. But when I got it, it was all black and red, and I painted it. I left the black frame black because I was fine with that, but I painted all of the little bins blue and pink with spray paint. And let me show you what I have and how I have organized it. And you're seeing my neighbor's barn next door with their fence out the sliding glass door. So if you watched my Rascog cart tour, you'll know that I am in the process of changing craft rooms and setting things up. So I plan on coming and doing a tour after I get all my rooms set up. But what I was doing was coming on and doing little videos of my organization of my big items, like my Rascog cart, which is right there under that window, and my tool shop cart that is right here. So I'll link the video to the Rascog cart below, so if you haven't checked that out, you can. And we're going to go over and take a little closer look at my tool shop cart. So on the top shelf of my tool shop, I have a little vase here with wands that people have made me and sent me in there. And then I have this gorgeous calla lily lamp that sits here, and I don't know if you can tell, but it has those little lights in it, and it's just so pretty, I think. And then we come on over, and then I have this beautiful box that I believe I received it from Sandra Brom, and if I didn't and I'm getting that wrong, and if you guys are watching this, let me know in the comments below. And if it wasn't Sandra, I'm very sorry. But it's just gorgeous and beautiful, and I love it. So I have it sitting here, and I'm going to put some good smell good stuffs in it. Like this, I have one package that I left in the sun on something, and the package got ripped and torn on the front, and it smells like the ocean. It's a scented sachet, so I'm going to get a couple more of those, and that's what I'm going to put in there. But also on top, what I have lined up is my Nouveau drops that I own, and I did them in rainbow order, and I have those all here. And then I've got some in the back, and then over here on this side, and then the few liquid pearls that I have. I don't own very many, never have, just the few colors that I really liked that are back there. And then I have some Heidi, oh, I thought they were Heidi Swap. They're not. They are the Recollections brand Glimmer Mist that I have right there that is lined up there. So, yeah, and just real quick, I'm going to try to span you over. This is the little piece of wall in between a big window and the sliding glass door, and these are items that people have sent me. And this came from Demarius, that is Blessed Hands Arts and Craft. She's on Instagram, you can find her there, and on Facebook. She doesn't do YouTube videos yet, and I wish she did. And this is a gorgeous tag that she made me, so I hung it on the wall there. And then another lady sent me these beautiful wine bottles that say different things on them, and they're actually magnets, and they wouldn't hang on any of my metal surfaces. So I just use really heavy duty glue dots and put them there. And then I have this beautiful altered CDs with that gorgeous mermaid and all of those seashells on it. And this came from Carmen over at Elemental Designs, and she's here on YouTube and also on Instagram, so go over and check her out too. So I'm just so happy with my little vanity wall there is what I'm calling it. It makes me happy, so I had to stop and share those for a moment. But I'm sorry, I don't mean to make you sick with all the moving, because I am holding my camera. And in the top rack, I have my extra ATG tape here. And I buy all of this off of Amazon because it's a much better price. These are little different seed beads. These are containers of sequins that I have here. More sequins. Bag sequins, container sequins. And then we come on down, and someone had sent me these little envelope seals that are gold, and it has my initial on it, see? So I love that. So I use those on some outgoing mail. A thank you wood stamp that I use a lot, that I have in there as well. And then the other thing that I have back here that I don't want it to get mixed up with my other mini inkers, and its foam is here, and what I use is this distress glaze with that, and I don't want that to get mixed in with my inks at all, so I keep it right there. So, and here's just a little miscellaneous drawer. Here is a drawer of the silver metallic Sharpie pens, more sequins, containers, and this is basically a bunch of embellishments is what I keep in here. These are the little paper flags or kites with all the different colors, and here I have Prima paper butterflies and wooden butterfly buttons in there. Over here I just keep some flare and then little wood buttons that look like flare to me. Down on the third one is napkins, and down here is just miscellaneous die cuts and things that people have sent me that I want to use, so they're here so I can remember to do it. Here's more embellishments that are larger and don't fit a particular thing that I have, so they're there. Again, some tags and shaker tags that I have received, so I can use them in other crafty stuff that I do. This is a thing of bows that have been made, and these are just little goodies that I like to include in Happy Mail if it pertains. This is my confetti box or drawer. I have a great big bag of loose confetti, and then I have like these little push pops of confetti too. So those are all right there. We come on down to the fourth section, and here I have my word beads, and then I have this beautiful box, and this was created by Busy Mom Rosa Vera. I can't speak. And inside of it is a tag book, and I just absolutely love this, and I'll keep it forever. So I got it there because it inspires me and I get to see it all the time. Here is just a hodgepodge of different goodies that I like to use on different things, whether they be cabochons, a little bit of metal embellishments, different beads. There's just all kinds of stuff in there, and this is probably my favorite little container of all times in my little tool shop. Here I have got the plastic and cardboard bobbers that you can put washi tape and different threads or ribbons and floss on, and they look like this So those are some loose ones in there. And then I have some other little goodies of things that people have sent me, and then little different things that I want to use in Happy Mail as extra goodies to send. And then we come on over, and these are my binder clips. These are the little tiny silver ones that I use all the time, and then the black skeleton ones. And then we come on over, and this is my spare parts with more skeleton clips of different sizes, and they are all gold. And then my jumbo paper clips are back there that I like to use, and I have those in lots of different colors that are in there. And then these are my binder clips, mini binder clips that are gold right there. Now this is probably my second little drawer of goodness, and it's a hodgepodge of all kinds of different cute little embellishments. I got these little empty jars that I can put different things in. I have one here that's got pink glitter and a seashell, and I've got tassels in here, and I've got cute shanked buttons and just all kinds of goodies like that that I like to use in Happy Mail. So we come on down to the first section of the large pink, and these are all of my embellishment ephemera packs that I have and have received. Well, I've bought. I'm ashamed to say that. I was hoping I could say I received, but I've bought. So doing this, I realized how much stuff I have, and it's like, okay, everybody says no spend November. Mine's going to be no spend until January with all the stuff that I have found. But it's all different types of ephemera and stickers that I keep in there. Just love that section. And then over here, there's a beautiful pack of fabric buttons that somebody has sent me. And then there's different types of embellishments and ephemera that I have bought with these Sweet Shop assortment packs in different colors and things like that. And then some Tim Holtz Ideology metal pieces. There's several packs of those back in there as well. So that's what I keep in that container. Oh, it doesn't want to stay up this time, and I had things to fall out. Oh goodness. And then this side, or this container, I keep all of my doilies that I have. I have all kinds of doilies in there. So, like that one as well. And then over here is kind of a hodgepodge mix of stuff. I have these super cute flamingo stirrers. I don't know if you can see those or not. And then some beautiful little tag stickers, and these die cut with a view tags, and just chipboard pieces, and bigger sticker buttons and things like that. These little 3D flamingo sticks or picks and things of that nature is what I have placed in there. Oh, it had been in there so well. Now it's trying to come out. And then in this section, again, is just a lot more ephemera pieces that I've bought. You know, Simple Stories, Summer Days, the Recollection die-cut shapes of unicorns, and just tons of different ephemera packs from lots of different companies. That's what I have in there. Now, I used to keep my stamps in here, and I no longer do. So some of these are going to have stickers on that represent stamp companies, but I got to take those off and redo it, because that's not what I'm doing. I've redone my whole complete stamp storage. Down here I have some cute paper clips that people have made me that I actually need to put over here on my paper clip area. I've got these cute little felt foxes that I bought, and if I'm not mistaken, I bought these from Gareth, who is in England, over in the UK, and he had a shop, Shop with Gareth or At Home with G or something like that. He has a YouTube channel, so you'll have to check him out and find him and check him out and go watch some of his videos. He's an incredible crafter, and I really enjoy watching his videos. So I gotten those from him a long time ago. And then back in there is just different library pockets and Polaroid frames and different things that I've had for quite some time. Over here is embellishments that people have made me and sent me, and I've put them out so that I can use them in my projects. And these are everything that would be considered oh shoot, what are they called? They're embellishments, but they're you know what I'm trying to say. Okay, my mind has left me, but that's, you know what I'm saying, what those are. So that's what those are. And you see my sticker came up and it's showing the ugly blue that had been there, so I have to put another sticker there or repaint that because I do have paint left. Over here are flowers, different flowers. Here's more paper flowers. This here is googly eyes and a package of Scrabble tiles that I have in there. And then at the very bottom are dimensional stickers, flowers and butterflies. Down here are my fabric or organza bags that I use. Down here are all of my shaped paper clips that I have that I use to send people or put on projects that I'm making, not the ones that I hoard. They go in a completely different container. My hoard paper clips do. So I got tons and tons of paper clips. These are all paper bags that I use, that I have here, of different sizes and colors and shapes. And then I even have the brown craft lunch bag paper bags. And then the final one are my beautiful decorative paper bags that have handles on them. And this is what I like to make loaded bags, loaded envelopes, and things of that nature out of. And see, these are little teeny tiny ones. So I just love those as well. So that is the tour of my tool shop. So I really hope you like my tool shop. I love it, and I think it's incredible, and it's one of the most incredible gifts my husband has ever bought me. In case I'm asked, I'll let you know right now, my husband bought this at Harbor Freight. I believe he paid about $75 for it, and then I painted the pink and blue, and I bought the spray paint, Valspar, I think is what it was, spray paint, and I used 3 cans of each color to paint it all. And I'm not for sure what the spray paint cost. I don't know, $6-7 a can. So I got an incredible embellishment center for less than $100. So if you guys want to try it, you can do it too, and on the cheap. And when I come on to do my full craft room tour here within the next couple of weeks, you just need to know that my room's going to be very eclectic and very thrifty. So I hope you liked this tour, and I hope you're looking forward to my craft room tour as well. Take care, guys. Cheers.